Welcome to ABC 123 Trader. All forms of trading carry a high level of risk, so you should only speculate with money you can afford to lose. You can lose more than your initial deposit and stake. Please ensure your chosen method matches your investment objectives. Familiarize yourself with the risk involved, and if necessary, seek independent advice. U.S. Government required disclaimer, Commodity Futures Trading Commission. Trading financial instruments of any kind, including options, futures, and securities, have large potential rewards but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risk and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the options, futures, and stock markets. Don't trade money you can't afford to lose.
Good morning, everybody. Mr. Mike here. It is January 5th, 2023. It's 9:20 in the morning. We're about 10 minutes before the open. Let's start taking a look at futures this morning. 3-year going down once again. Private payroll growth surged by 235, well above estimate. Biden administration defense student loan. So, yeah, there's not much happening. Just squabbling a bit. Another Fed speech, 9:20. That's whatever. S&P, monetary, crude oil imports, nothing really. But I have a feeling the market's really going to push down hard today. Even if you look at all the currencies here, look at Wall Street, all this, they're just jacking it down. We've got one more day before the turnover and see what happens. So you can see right here in this whole phase. If we could do the whole phase right now, if you take a look at it, it's crazy. We've never really moved anywhere. It's been chopped. And we're basically where that price point is. So if we go once, let's go twice, and 3 times. One down here. So let's put some lines here where the volume point of control is. Volume point of control. And volume point of control. You can see. Look how equidistant it is. So they're basically in that area where they want to be, unless she pops down to the ultimate lows. We have a 58 here and a 47, and this one was a really extreme whip out there. So we know there's a couple of low points somewhere right around here. It tested it again. So it may be able to test one more time, we don't know. Okay, so we know where the most current volume points of control are. I'm going to get rid of the lower and the upper range because those are the 3 phases, because we're right in the middle and we're pushing down. On this one, what we can do is we can put one line, I guess on 80, somewhere in that zone, because that's where the 70% is. Okay, so let's go to the next phase. You can see a lot of consolidation. If it does break down, we're still pointing down. We had that from yesterday's high. If it ever jacked up, never did. And we have one. Yeah, it's really tight here. 11,700. Well, it's a big range actually, if you really think about it, because we're on a 4-hour chart. And then that's where the last point is, down there at 600. But it looks like it's supposed to be did 1 bounce, 2 bounce, pushing down, and still can keep on going. It might just push down to this order block. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to create one more line. I know I'm making a lot of little mini lines here, and what I'm going to do is on this one. So we know there's an order block there. Let's change the color. Let's make it 5 for now. There we go. We know there's an order block there, the long-term 4-hour order block. So while this is pushing down, there's our order block right here, and actually it's on a pivot point marker. There's a nice big gap here in market maker. So this is like 890. Could get a 90-point drop possibly. See what happens in the morning. And where are we down here while it's pushing down? You can tell negative numbers. See, look at it. Went up to 2,000, down to 96.94. And where are we right now? We're just touching that line. That's volume point of control. There is market maker right here. Is that our current market maker range? We've got a lot of resistance up here. Let's see. No, their current range is right here. So let's put our market maker range up there. The region. This is where our current market maker is at the 50% line. So we can go 127, and 161 looks like our ultimate goal down here. And they're already at the 127 marker, which kind of whatever. Other than that, we're good to go. And so we'll wait and see what the buy sell pressure is. See if it's going to go up or down, and what I'll do is I'm gonna save this workspace for now, and we'll shut this page off and move this one across there, and we are laughing. Let's see how this is working on the Mac scan. Actually, I should put on a, do I have a time scanner on here? No, I do have a time scanner on there. But I don't have, I gotta remember to do this for tomorrow. A bar timer. There. Got 5 minutes before they open. We're gonna see exactly what's gonna happen here. To really hard slope. But yeah, and also what I'm going to do as well, I'll just see it through, turn those off and put volume bars on. I'd rather have volume bars here. Good enough. So what we have is we actually had a high volume drop off point right there, as you can see. And right here was 6:15 or 8:15, drop down, one high volume spike. Yeah, there's one high volume spike there. This is a lot of volume right here. So we'll have to watch out. Maybe 9:33 might actually go up today, guys. We will see, or she's going to fire down again. There's supposed to be a long runner today. So we'll find out if it works really well. I would love to see the retracement, and then at top of the hour take a long sell. But we'll find out here. We will find out. Other than that, we'll just wait and see. Alrighty, I'm back. It's market just opened up there, so we're gonna just let it shake out for a while. Let's see if that 933 or the 935 signal is the true signal for us. What I did is I created a little oval right here to see if we're going to break this zone. What I'm looking for is, well, you know what I have to add? I forgot. I want to put a buy sell activator in there. I like my buy sell activators. We'll do that. Hopefully it's not too much data going through. And then what we're going to do, we're going to find out, because we have that high volume on the bottom, we have high volume on the top. They're just shaking out. We're at market open here. We've got to see what happens at 9:33 and we go from there. There was some volume sell off here, volume sell off here, and then we'll find out if they're trying to break through. More selling pressure than buying pressure right now, and but it's holding. So we'll just give it some time. And then hopefully by the 3rd minute, maybe by the, if this thing crosses over, I want to bring this up. Still going against the trend though. We're at negative 0.66, negative 7.79. So yeah, we're still playing in that ugly zone. So let's just give it some time for them to shake out and see exactly what's going to happen. %1 right now. Okay, let's see if we can go for it. If not, I'll close really quickly here. Yeah, I'm not ready yet, son of a gun. This thing could be going up. I'm going to try it one more time.
Order submitted. Order fell.
Darn it, I had it at 135. They're going to go for it. I can get some more money back here really quickly and then go for it again. it's just bouncing up way too much right now. I'll wrap it up and then I'll, where am I down? How much am I down right now? 135. Okay. We'll just wait for them to finish vibrating. I know she wants to turn around here, so I'm just waiting for it to just grind away. I need a reversal, that's what I'm waiting for. And the reversal is going to be right here. I could put a sell limit. You know what I should do is I'm going to put a sell limit at, where are these holes here? There one can be a sell limit right here. And I'll watch where the sell limit right here is. Those are the two areas I'm looking at.
Order filled. Order filled.
Okay, $10 down. I took the next wave in there really quickly just to break even because I made a bad move there. And we're almost at that point of area, the 1820, where I think where it could be a possible bounce for a turnaround. So we'll find out here right away. We're at negative 1.38 right now. I had one bad trade on the thing. I wasn't ready yet. It took a few more minutes than I wanted. 935 is failing, but we can look at 949 to see if this thing will turn around here. So I'm going to wait for this to turn around. If there's a crossover here, we'll see what happens. There's a high volume here, and we'll see from this point forward if it gets to 1820. And we can take the reversal. Okay, look at all these areas of interest right here. So they're passing 161 right now. They're right at a pivot point here. They did a ton of sell-off volume. We need them to just drop like crazy, turn around. See, they're hitting this pivot point right here. And we know now if it does come back up, yeah, so it would go to the 126. Now what we're going to do is I'm going to try to do, what's the time right now, 9:41? A buy bid.
Order filled.
See if I can go the other way just to get some money back here. Nope.
Order filled.
It's going down again still. Son of a gun. Oh, 150. So I did get my money back. It was at, oh no, it was at negative 10. So we'll play it around. We'll let them keep on grinding. I really thought they were done yet. Let's go for it now.
Order filled.
Come on, push it down.
Order filled.
Good enough for now. I just want to stay break even for now and get set up for the turnaround because she's still vibrating a lot. So I did a really quick trade so I can just stay at 15 bucks, just a quick scalp. You know she's trying to break through. She'll pop down. It looks like the way they're doing it is there's still a lot of energy, but there will be a fade, and that's what I'm waiting for. So while this is pushing down, it's been very violent. We're at 20 points a minute, and I'm just waiting. I haven't had a really a nice vibration rhythm, and they're right at this zone here. And if once it pops, it's going to pop really hard, but it's not at the point. It's negative 1.48, and she wants to break down, but it has to turn around, and we need that reversal. So we'll get to the 1800 marker. There you go, volume point of control is just switched, so I'm going to go for a buy bid right now. Just give it a second, I just want to see if volume just hits. Watching my volume.
Order submitted. Order held.
Now let's see if we can get a couple $100 here on the reversal.
Order
Done. $240 today, guys. Waiting for the reversal. So basically, I am high volume right now. So basically, ugly day today. So 1 second trade, couple seconds, I was trying to fight through this volume. I waited for volume point of control to move down. We hit the bottom. It's still going to be quite whippy. I think the market still can crash hard. We're right in that point. It's I still think they need to grab all this volume before reversing. Now, one of the key things about with the MACD scan, what I've added, if this thing gets down to the purple zone, it starts turning up, but because there's a lot of volatility today. See where it just crossed over? That's why I took that trade. As soon as it crossed over, I could probably scalp a couple $100, if not more, if it really takes off. A lot of volume, stop volume, because you can see right here, see? There's a big candle, small candle, big candle. So they have to hit the stop volume and come back down. It might retest again. If not, we might be able to take a trade here. So what you're gonna might see is, see how this thing's curling up, a little bit of weakness. It might curl down and then go. We'll see her second wave weakness here, or she's really going to take off. But the volume point of control has just moved down here, guys. See, right in here. That's where all the volume is. The fighting. It's going up and down, and it will have to work its way up slowly. It's gonna fade up. It's not going to explode, but we got a lot of resistance going up the other way. Other than that, just make sure you pinpoint your trades. Trade safe, guys, and you guys have a great day. Take care. Bye.